Jeffrey. What up? Finally. God, I was pulling teeth with this. It's not like it was National Treasures. I hope the baseball Immaculate goes faster. We're going back to pick your team, though. Screw this random stuff. That's what's up next. Maybe we can break that by Saturday. Oh, let me turn that off. I'm working on it. I should have had it ready to go, right? I was trying to sort the or package up a couple things. So I'll get Mosaic sorted. Then I'll wait for Immaculate, and then I'll ship after that. All right, it'll be before Thursday. Vacay, Florida? I wish I was going to Florida. This fall crap. Depressing. We got a hayride tonight with Dylan's school. It's like going to be 45. Lovely. Damn. So you're going to be there for what? 2 weeks? Almost? Alright, I'll hold yours till you get back. Sounds good. Not a problem. Oh, sweet, man. That's cool. It's a good time to go because it won't be as packed as usual. We always do it the opposite way. We like to go when it's the hottest ever and the most busiest. I don't know why, but that's how it seems to work out. All right, Mosaic Hobby. It's not like this was choice or I bet you if it was a 6-box retail break, it would have snap filled. Of course, it would have been $15.50 a spot, but still, we're guaranteed autos in this. So, well, let me knock on some wood. On average, not guaranteed schnit. What up, Ronnie? Oh, dude, yeah, Halloween down there. That's got to be awesome. I just thought about that. Yeah, I bet you Halloween at Disney is sweet. That has to be pretty sweet. All right, let's put up the random list in case you guys didn't see it. There we go. 101. Break 299. Break 300. One of these got to give up some cash, right? So next one will be 300. This is 299. 1464. And here is the results of the random. Jeremy got the Giants. Chet with the Eagles. John Scrum with the Titans. Mark Money Thomas got the Falcons. Deanna, I'm not sure, is your first break. Welcome. This is the video, so if you have any questions, I will send you this. But you end up with the Rams with spot 5. So any Rams cards you get, those are yours. First break. Mojo. Happens a lot in this room, so we'll see. Good luck. AW, Bengals. Kevin Molnar, Dolphins. Mr. Trojan, Vikings. Josie, Jaguars. Diana got the Lions with her second team. Jeff Jones, the Chiefs. Brian B, Cowboys. Ronnie with the Jets. David Russell, those Raiders. AW, Patriots. Drew landed the Colts. Lucas, the Brownies. Josie, Chargers. Corey with the Ravens. Richard, Bears. David Russell, Saints. Jeff Jones got his PC, Cardinals. Brian B landed those Texans. CJ Stroud looking pretty good. Mr. Trojan, the Bills. AW with the Packers. Richard with the Commanders. John with the 49ers. Ronnie with the Broncos. Richard with the Panthers. Jeff Jones, Seattle Seahawks. Steelers. And Mr. Truman looking for that Baker 101 with the Buccaneers. Drew is the only team not in for the 101, so no Colts 101. Ronnie, I did get no J-Rod, and you wouldn't believe the tiny little tree guy Bob Ross, it like shut down Topps website. I couldn't get through. I don't know if it was bots like crazy. I tried for 35 minutes. I couldn't even get the blasters that were only $25. There was blasters and then a hobby. I got nothing. And now they're selling on eBay. It was $200 for the hobby. They're going for like $380, which is ridiculous. And then the blasters were $25, and I seen them for $75 to $80. So a lot of rumors were saying that the bots ate up all the product. It shut down their site. It sucked. I was trying hard. I got 4 blasters in my checkout, and then I went to pay, and it was like, this product's out of stock. I could not even get the hobby box, which sucks. I did not think Bob Ross would be like sell out like that, but it was crazy. And I had good signal. I was at work, but I made sure I was at I was kind of disappointed. I wanted to just break one of those because I thought they looked pretty cool. Maybe they'll drop in price on eBay and I could snatch one or something, but yeah, those Bob Ross last week were crazy. I forgot to post. I was going to post about it. But the bots definitely ate that day, which sucked. Alright, so anyways, no Happy Little Trees baseball at this time. So we'll see. Maybe I can grab ones and not pay ridiculous upcharge. You know how it is. Alright guys, good luck. Hobby, lots of cards. Good stuff. Pretty cool inserts. I forget what the big one is. It's that like ultra rare inserts. Stained glass and that kaleidoscope one is pretty cool. I've seen several of those pulled. They look pretty sweet. And the stained glass look pretty nice this year too. I do have some blasters coming. I just grabbed. So we will do a retail break in the future. Mosaic retail has been pretty good to us. Especially the last basketball, we were 2 for 2 with autos. So hopefully we stay hot with the retail because they have special retail autographs. So we'll do one big break with those, and then maybe I'll put some Razes up. So I have three more tomorrow. Will be here, so we'll mix those in. Stadium Club Baseball is delayed to next year. It was supposed to be out this week or next. I don't know how you delay a product 2.5 months, but I was going to grab some of the Stadium Club because that's usually a nice product. But that is going to be delayed, so no Stadium Club Baseball this year. It is just delayed, which is weird. I mean, I see a week or two, but 2.5 months. Really? Cover cards. AW got those cover cards. All right, here we go. Andre Johnson, Cooper, Drake, Jerry, Amon Ross, St. Brown, Kamara, Josh Jacobs, Woolen. NFL debut, Marvin Mims for the Broncos. A little sideways action. I guess we're getting to the rookies now. Oh, there's a Warren Sapp, so I guess they're mixed up still. This must be different. There's probably 2 versions for every rookie, right? Like a sideways one and a regular one. So that's cool. Marvin Mims. Aiden O'Connell. Oh, that's next card coming up is cool. Nothing crazy, but it's just out of respect. So Aiden O'Connell, he got his first start last week, didn't he? I'm not sure how he did. I didn't see. But I guess the Raiders are high on him. Who had the Raiders? I don't know. That's why Dave Russell. So, rest in peace. A little Dick butt kiss. Good old Dick. A little insert on that one. The Bears. Who had the Bears? Richard. And a little Dallas Clark on the orange. That numbered? It sure is. Going to the Colts, and we got 188 out of 199. 188 out of 199. Little Dallas Clark. Green Bay. Moments in Time, Antonio Freeman. Packers. AW. And Jets. Center Stage. Prism. Brees Hall. New York. It's an annoying thing with random. I gotta either memorize it or Ronnie. Okay. I don't know. Facebook is just shitty with notifications. But this break took a while to fill. So I was trying. I was pushing it. Only got kid reporters in here. Von Miller. But we got it filled eventually. Keyshawn. Dan Hampton. Randall. Derwin James. A little LT. Gronk. National Pride. Wada Wada. Dude, I did everyone tag, bro. I guess I'm going to have to go back and actually type people's names in. Christian. What's up, buddy? Vince Young. Rookie for the Giants. Jalen Hyatt. NFL debut. Jeremy Bethel. A little Joe Theismann. Trey Tucker, rookie for the Raiders. The boys pulled out that game, huh? Christian. A little National Pride, that's shiny. Prism, Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. Yeah, I'm just going to have to go back tagging people person by person. Because that add everything doesn't seem to work like it used to. Plus, I don't want to piss everyone off. Derrick Henry. Titans. Montage. Insert. Men of Mystery. Justin Jefferson. He just got hurt, didn't he? Minnesota. Kid Reporter. Anybody want the Kid Reporters? I don't feel like typing that. Oh, they just got a barcode. Or if you just scan that. Or you gotta actually type in every little letter. Pittman. Joe Thomas. Billy White Shoes Johnson. That's old school for Atlanta. DJ Moore. Dude, killing it. Maurice Jones-Drew. Devonta Smith. Keenan. National Pride. D. Henry. Jerome Bettis. Joe Namath. Not sure what that is. Auto? Maybe? Joe Theismann. Washington. Might be our first auto. Going to the Packers. Jordy Nelson. The Red Wave. Green Bay. AEW. Tyreek Hill. And a little Tua. One looks different. Because one is a prism, one is not. So going to Miami, both of them. This one is a prism. That's a cool looking card. Yeah, Mosaic this year is pretty nice stuff. Kevin Homer. First auto. I believe, already. Come on, Joe, get off there. Oh, the wrong Young. Byron Young, and what did I say? First break mojo. Going to the Rams. Diana. I believe she is from Brunswick too, just like AW. So locals. First break mojo auto. There you go. I said it. This room is known. First breaks to do okay. Byron, not Brian. Byron Young. Not numbered. A little flashy. So, sweet card. I called it. Okay, we still got one more coming. At least we're supposed to. Michi. Mr. Chubb. Damn it. Patterson. Jason. Taylor. Golf. D-Car. Dude, did we already hit the second one? Oh no. Jimmy G. Steve Young. There's a CJ Stroud, boys. We will take that base since we know he doesn't have any autos in this. CJ. Houston. That is going to Ryan. He almost threw his first pick last game. Gates had two hands on it. Dropped it. Mike Evans, Justin Herbert, National Pride. Oh, that's Wait. What's that number 2? Four of 25, Jalen Hyatt. Going to the Giants. On the white. That's a nasty card. Giants, Jeremy. Teasing us, boys. 4 out of 25 on that one. The sideway cards are pretty sweet. Sitting sideways like Paul Wall, baby. Showing my age now. Prism. Christian. Remember that guy? He was a beast. That dude was huge. Okoye. I remember his shoulder pads were crazy. Jamar Chase and Justin Jefferson. Alright. So this is... Oh, we got back-to-back. So this is why we have dice now. So... The Justin... AJ Brown, DK Math. Alright, so... This roll is going to be odds. The right side will be even. So I don't have to run 14 randoms. So I got my little dice. So you've got 6 numbers. So if you get a 1, 3, or 5, it's your card. Going to the Bengals. And that's AW. And Minnesota, if you get the 2, 4, or 6. Okay? And that is a... That's a 2 or a 3? That's a 2. So, Justin Jefferson. That one goes to Minnesota. Now this one, which is numbered, we got the Eagles and the Seahawks. Same way. Blue, this one's numbered though, 64.99. But same deal. Roll over the dice. 1, 3, 5 on the left, 2, 4, 6 on the right. Good luck. 4. So that is A.J. Brown and the Eagles going to Chet. Let me mark that. Chet. What? He doesn't want to go? Oh, come on. What? Dude, we had so much fun last year. Well, Dylan went to the dentist earlier and it wasn't a fun day, so I think that's why he doesn't want to go. Okay, wife. I'm not going to be mad if he doesn't want to go. But he owes me the $34. Just kidding. And then this one. 2 in Minnesota. So that goes to Mr. Trojan. Chat, you just came in on the dice roll and you got the dual card. Alright, wife, I'll be done in a minute. That's back. Just a little death roll there. Just to make it easier so I don't have to sit there and run 20 randoms. Now if it gets like 3 or 4 players, then I'll run a random. But if it's just 2, it's easy peasy. Russell Wilson. Gabriel Davis. Dick. Rest in peace. Darius Slay. Henry Ellard. That's old. Tiki. Tannehill. Yeah, sideways. Oh, nice. Devon Achane. Is it Achane? Even though he's hurt, but this kid is killing it. I like these sideways. The duel was Metcalf and A.J. Brown, blue, 64-99. So I do a dice roll now. So the first side gets 135, and the second side gets 246, and you hit the 4. So that is your card. Dotson, National Pride Burrow. Revis, not numbered. Tank for Jaguars. Nice. Jacksonville was. Josie, not numbered. What? I did not say that. Did I? Knock it off. I did. Did I? I don't know. Stephon Diggs. Justin Fields. Swagger, baby. That's a prism. A little thick. At the time, he might have been a bum, though. All right. You know, this class is pretty good. Like, I'd say a lot of me and AW Adrian were talking about it on Sunday. Like there's quite a few good, like all kinds of different talent, running backs, receivers, whatever. Well, hey, you knew who he was because you are a fan. That kid's fast. What did he run? It was 21 point. He hit, like, you know how they miles per hour or whatever. I think he was like 21.6 or something this last game. But now he's out, what, like 4 weeks? Jordan Love. Dickhead cost me my fantasy game this week. Well, you live and you learn. Lucas. Joey B. Leonard. Breeze. Chris Carter. Reggie Wayne. Isaiah Pacheco. Chris Johnson. Josh Allen, National Pride. Kenny, I throw nothing but picks. Pick it. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Jack Campbell for the Lions rookie. And on the blue, little Patty. Patrick Mahomes. Numbered 12 out of 99 on the Patrick Mahomes. Hey, Watson's not even going to be on the field again because he hurt his shoulder because he runs and thinks he's a freaking safety and wants to take on a safety idiot. So now he's not going to play again. So we're only going to lose by... Well, I'll give the D a 1.25 against the 49ers. But it's probably going to be like 32 to like 11. I don't know why I threw 11 out there. I just... Oh, there she is! Welcome. Her first break, gentlemen, be nice. She gets an auto. Probably a little delay. That's just how the video is. Eddie George on the Prism. And we got a little Justin Herbert. Yeah, because even if we don't start the rookie, we have the other PJ whatever. He sucks too. We're in trouble. We're just in trouble. All right, here we go. Here's another roll. I knew this product had it, so that's why I had my dice. So, Raiders 1, 3, 5. Titans 2, 4, 6. 1. So it goes to the Raiders and Josh Jacobs. The Raiders. Get that dual card. Carbon copy. Not numbered or nothing, but still. I just knew there was the dual cards in here, so I was prepared. Alright, we got 4 left. Still looking for 1 auto. Even got the little skull-themed dice for that time of year. Something like that. Yeah, there it is. Ronnie, welcome him with open arms. Yeah, it can get a little crazy here. It's just, we got some goofballs, but it's a good group of guys that we stick together. We have our differences. We schnitt talk each other about our PCs. Mainly it's everyone talking schnitt about the Browns, which I really don't have a lot of room to talk. So I think you're a Browns fan because you're local, so you'll enjoy the pain that they give us. Lamar, Champ, Thurman. I'm the only goofball. Jason Kelsey, Khalil Mack, Dalvin Cook. Sitting sideways, debut a little Zay Flowers for Baltimore. I'm the goofball among men. She feels the pain, guys. So, Joe Green, Trevor Lawrence, National Pride. Jerry Rice, going old school. Then we got a nice little Gibbs rookie for Detroit. National Pride D. Henry. A Joey B. montage. And then a little Aaron Rodgers montage. How's he going to have a montage when he played 3 plays? These ones not numbered, just the shiny prism, but that's nice card for the Lions, Detroit Lions. If they ever use this kid. Oh, that's Diana. So there you go. It's a nice little rookie there for the Lions. Lucas, I heard he had some, like, you know, he's a little nutty, but he had some kind of different kind of surgery where they just, I don't know, it was not your typical Achilles surgery. Like, it was something where he could heal and might be back by, is it January, I heard? Myles Garrett, that's our only hope on defense. No, our defense is pretty stacked, but he's one of our hopes. Kyle Pitts, yeah, I forget what they called it, but I was reading about it. It seemed like, I don't know, I think Cam Akers had it last year, and he came back pretty quick. Cortland Sutton, Jameson Williams, Chris Olave from the Ohio State University, Devontae Adams, that might be our second auto, Mike Quick, Ray Lewis, I'm trying not to give away the colors. Wait a minute, too late. Ray Lewis. Chris Godwin. A little sideways Will Levis. Well, he might be back then. So another color card for you. A little old school Jack Youngblood. I don't think it's the one's numbered. Diana? Nope, it's still cool. The old school Jack Youngblood. And then it's a Rams kind of break. That's going to be a silver. So the Rams have a nice few little cards there for you. Then Moments in Time. Josh Jacobs. It's just a base. Men of Mystery. Speaking of the devil. Do they is that like a tease for the stained glass? Like they kind of have a little bit of stained glass, but it's not the stained glass one. Alright, I think second auto, boys. Kid Reporter. Wow. Cordell Stewart. I was like, if we hit a 101 with a Cordell Stewart, I was going to puke. 82 out of 99. Steelers, Jeff Jones. I would never thought I would have pulled that. Look at that signature, though. It takes some time, right? I mean, you can just see you got this guy, his signature, and then this guy. So Jeffrey, that worked out for you. 82 out of 99 on that. Ay. So, I was hoping for a little bit better autos, but hey. All right, 2 packs left. Let's get a stained glass or something to end the break strong. Andre Reed, Rogers, Richard Dent, Pierce, LT, Tyreek, Doug Flutie. Man, they're putting anything in this. Traylon, National Pride Cook, Terry Scary McLaren from the Ohio State University. A nice little Bijan. Going to Hotlanta on the NFL debut. Mark Money Thomas. We got 3 Brunswick people in here. Well, Mark's from Brunswick, grew up in Brunswick. AW, and then Diana. I both believe you guys live in Brunswick, Ohio. Taysom Hill, Saints. Von Miller for the Bills on the orange. That might be numbered. It is. 168 out of 199. Buffalo Bills. Who are we? Jeff Trojan. Mike. Man of Mystery, Tyreek. That's not a prism. And Moments in Time. OBJ with the catch of one of the best catches ever on the Giants. All right, last pack, boys and girls. Sorry. Last. Ooh, on top, Ozzy, the Wizard. Michael. Patrick Surtain. Patrick Holmes. Dallas Goddard. Joey B from the Ohio State University. Kirk Cousins. Yeah, TJ. He's good, though. Can't talk shit about him. Stephon Diggs, national pride. George Kittle finally came through. 3 touchdowns on Sunday Night Football. Randy Moss, you got mossed. And we got some color. Debo for the 49ers. That's on a red. Not numbered, though. The orange is numbered, but the red isn't. We got a little Amari Cooper silver. We're going to need... I don't know. I hope he's playing Sunday. We're not going to have any chance. Introductions, rookie. It's a nice card. Addison from Minnesota. Little insert rookie there. Then silver going to the Jags. Unfortunately, this is our last card. Audible. Trey Lawrence. So no 101s. So the pot moves on. Immaculate Baseball's next. Pick your team. Very good chance at 101. Just saying. Very good chance at the 101 pot. In Immaculate, I want to say, I don't know, out of 8 101 pots, maybe 8 to 10 we might have had. At least 4 have been Immaculate. Yes, Lucas, it will be dropped today. I got to work on the price list and see if I'm going to this hayride with the kid. But if he doesn't want to go, then I'll work on it right away. So then I'll get it up before. I mean, the preview. I'll preview post it with the price preview. Shoot for 7 and post it at 8. You guys know the deal. And we'll go from there. 101 will be probably about close to 1,500. Mike, stop. I'm not doing random ever again after this random that took 5 days. One day, though, I was out and about, so I really didn't push it. But people aren't getting tags for some reason, so I'm going to have to try something different. Maybe sign in the Box Break account or the wife's name or something. But let's do a recap real quick while I'm talking. So really, only C.J. Stroud's the only one that showed up. Besides that bum auto from Pittsburgh. Not a horrible box. I've seen worse, but... Von Miller on the orange. 168 and a 199. B.J. Bijan Robinson. NFL debut for Atlanta. Gibbs. Nice little rookie there for Detroit football. Patrick Mahomes. That's on the blue. That one is numbered, actually. 12 out of 99. 99. Dual card. Chet won this one. Going to the Eagles. Carbon copy. That one was 64 out of 99 with the dice roll. Dallas Clark going to the Colts on the orange. We had 188 out of 199 on that. Nice little Jalen Hyatt on the white NFL debut. Pretty sweet card. 4 out of 25 on that one. Just a base, but it is a C.J. Stroud, and he is playing his ass off, so I bet you base will get you 10, 15, maybe 20 right now. Who knows? He might just might be the beginning for him. Finally, Ohio State quarterback. Knock on some wood. We thought Fields might do it, but he looks good, but I don't know. It's just too inconsistent, And then the autos. Byron Young for the Rams, rookie. First break mojo for Diana. And then, good old Cordell Stewart on the blue for the Squealers. 82 out of 99 on that one. Alright, guys. So, like I said, I get this separated. Take a little time because all the base. If you don't want your base, let me know. If you do, not a problem. I don't have a problem shipping the base. But I am about to ship out. I'm not joking. Those are all base cards. That will be going to the hospital down where Tim is. I think he's in Louisiana or something. So every 5 months, the base that you guys don't want, I just keep building up, and then I send them to him, and he packs them up and gives them to the kids. So if you don't want your base, let me know. If you do, not a problem. On that note, Appreciate the fill. Appreciate you guys that stuck with the break and we got it full. Okay. So on that note, how many times can I say on that note? So immaculate baseball. Very nice product. The patches in this were disgusting this year. So I grabbed one. So the 1-on-1 pot has not been hit, so we're gonna pick your team on this one and maybe give away some cash for this weekend. Alright, I'm gonna sign off here and see what's going on, and I'll let you guys know what time. Look for the preview post with the preview prices. And we'll go from there. Alright, boys and girls. Talk to you soon. Have a good one. Later.